I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get good oxygen in your fish tank. Maintaining adequate dissolved oxygen is crucial for the health and well-being of your aquatic pets. Fish rely on oxygen to breathe, and insufficient levels can lead to significant stress and even fatalities. We will cover essential methods and tips to ensure your fish always have enough oxygen to thrive in a clean, vibrant environment. There are several effective ways to oxygenate your fish tank. Air pumps, paired with air stones, produce fine bubbles that agitate the water surface, facilitating vital gas exchange. Power filters and hang-on-back filters also contribute significantly by creating surface movement. Additionally, live aquatic plants naturally release oxygen during daylight hours, offering a biological boost to your tank's oxygen supply. To ensure optimal oxygen levels, you can use an oxygen test kit or a digital meter. For most freshwater fish, a dissolved oxygen concentration between 5 and 8 milligrams per liter is ideal. Regular maintenance, including routine water changes of 25 to 50% and thorough tank cleaning, is vital. This prevents the accumulation of organic waste, which can deplete oxygen as it decomposes. If you notice signs of low oxygen, such as fish gasping at the surface, consider common culprits like overfeeding or overstocking your tank. Ensure excellent water circulation throughout the entire aquarium to eliminate stagnant zones. Remember that warmer water holds less oxygen, so increasing aeration during hot periods, or if your tank temperature rises, is a smart preventative measure for your fish's health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.